Hello everyone. For today's video, we are going to have our tutorial on how to brew your own coffee. For today, we are going to manually grind the Arabica coffee beans and using our French press, we are going to brew this Arabica coffee. So if you are ready, relax and stay tuned. And we are going now to brew our coffee that is Arabican coffee. So for today, Arabica coffee is what we are going to use. Arabica coffee is scientifically known as Coffea arabica, which is one of the most popular and widely consumed coffee variety in the world. For today, we are going to use this coffee bean grinder that I purchased in an online store. We need this coffee grinder for us to be able to grind manually our Arabica coffee. Going back to Arabica coffee accounts for about 60% to 70% of global coffee production. Arabica is native to the highlands of Ethiopia, but now it is grown in many countries along the belt, including Brazil, Colombia, Ethiopia, and Kenya. Arabica coffee beans are known for their smooth, mild flavor, and they generally have this higher acidity and less bitterness compared to the Robusta variety. Now, we are now grinding our coffee beans using our manual grinder. This manual grinder is very important because if you grind the coffee beans upon brewing, so you are assured of the guaranteed freshness and good quality of the taste of the Arabica coffee that you are going to brew. So we are now grinding our coffee beans and this takes about 3 to 5 minutes depending on how many coffee beans that you are going to grind. So just grind it slowly and it will be ready soon. Now, here are our coffee beans that are ground already and are now ready for use. So these coffee beans are ground and they are almost finely ground. Actually, for the French press, we need the coarse ground for it to fit the French press brewing method. Here it is. The coffee beans are now finely ground and are now ready for using. His, Here is our French press. If you don't have a French press, you can purchase it online. It is really very handy when it comes to brewing your own coffee. I boiled water beforehand and now I'm going to put just 2 tablespoons of ground Arabica coffee. I think 2 tablespoons are enough for a balanced flavor. It is just enough
Post mo na.
for the strength of the coffee. Here I am now pouring the boiled water from the kettle. So if you are here,
Diba?
you can smell the aroma. Arabica coffee is really very fragrant.
Diba? Okay na.
The coffee beans are really good choice for especially coffee, and it is used for high quality blends and for single origin coffee. We will now sit this for 3 to 4 minutes, and we will wait for 3 to 4 minutes. We are now pouring it in this clear glass. Here it is.
Yun na.
So it is now ready. Look at this. The color is just enough. It is very fragrant if you are here.
Ang video.
Arabica coffee is really a flavorful type of coffee beans. It is good for brewing and consuming on your own. Look at this. A very good coffee blend. So always remember that Arabica coffee is prized for its nuanced flavor and is a favorite among coffee enthusiasts worldwide. So it is a really good drink when it comes to if you are just relaxing or if you are just having your start of the day. So brew your own coffee. This is a very good coffee of choice, Arabican coffee. Manually grind your own coffee for freshness and you can brew it using your French press. That's all for today's video tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.